All right, well, I have picked up one of these very popular rotating curling irons. You can see I've gotten one in pink color, and I'm gonna test it out for you and let you know if it's really worth it. This one goes up to 230 Celsius, but I'm gonna go ahead and set it to about 190, would probably be about right for my hair type. I have pretty fine hair, so I don't wanna burn it. I wanna make sure that I don't get it too hot, so be a little bit careful about the temperature when you are using any heat tools like this. All right, let's go ahead and let this thing heat up. While it's heating up, I'm gonna show you that it does rotate. You have a button for right and left operation. So that's something that we're gonna need to do in a moment here. We're gonna need to be able to turn the thing right and left. All right, we are up to temperature, and now let's give this thing a try. So it has kind of a short little blade here for catching the hair. So a lot of people show that you separate the section of hair and then go ahead and they show it kind of rotating it away from your face. General wisdom is that you want to hook the hair in and then do a little bit of, leave the end out. There is the tip that you can grasp here. And then we want to leave this bit out. And then, oh, and that's the part, I'm so used to wrapping it, I just start wrapping. I forget that I can rotate it now. I have to think which way I want to rotate. Wrong way. I want to rotate this way. Oh, wow. And then I can actually ease it out a little bit if I want to do. A lot of people do that kind of beach wave thing where they have the little ends out. I actually don't prefer the straightened ends, so I think I want to do that. And wind it up a little bit more. All right, well, there you go. Okay, well, I'm gonna get to work and let's see how long it takes me. All right, so final thoughts on this rotating curling iron. I think it's definitely a time saver. I think it is definitely a great tool if you are looking for something that's going to be more accessible for you. It definitely saved the wear and tear of having to rotate my arm a whole bunch to curl my hair. For my hair type doesn't take curl all that well, so it's always a losing battle when I'm curling my hair anyway. It doesn't matter what product I'm using or what styling tool I'm using, I'm always gonna be struggling to get the curl in my hair. So if you like to curl your hair frequently and you spend a lot of time curling your hair, this is definitely going to be a time saver. And I know I don't curl my hair a lot, but I do curl my daughter's hair, and this is something that I'm definitely gonna be using when I am curling her hair. It's gonna save wear and tear. In terms of having to hold your arm up and twist around, it was a lot easier there. There is a learning curve in terms of having to memorize the left and right and kind of getting the sequence of how you maneuver the thing around, but you will learn that as you use it, and it's gonna get easier over time. It definitely works. And it is definitely a time saver, and it definitely makes things a little bit more accessible and a little bit more convenient. So I would definitely recommend checking one out. If you are someone who enjoys curling your hair often, this will save you time and it will make things a little bit more convenient for you.